And we are underway in Tampa. Minnesota not a good road team this year. 5th worst among all NHL teams. 7. No arm in the air there as point was taken down. Remember, the Wild do not want to get shorthanded many times tonight. Here comes Kucherov. Kucherov! Oh, what a save by Gustafsson early on to keep us scoreless.
Able to do and build on the success he's had in his career, but how about this golden opportunity? Beautiful feed up the middle. There's no way defensively. A great chance right there.
The Wild, Kaprizov. Across, that passes behind Brock Faber in the Rookie of the Year discussion this year. Number 7 has the puck now. Out there with Middleton. What a pass to Eriksson Ek! And he scores! What a dime from Faber. The rookie, tape to tape to Eriksson Ek. His 18th goal of the year. 1-0 Wild.
Power play goal and a shorty, and here's a 5-on-5 to get them on the board. It's a great forecheck from Minnesota. They stay patient, they stay controlled, they don't force it. You can see they're on the perimeter, and then it's that seam pass, and what a beautiful blocker side shot by Joel Eriksson Ek. And really their most
playoff games that year, didn't score, but then he went to Toronto, came back for that 22 Cup final against Colorado that they lost. Played last year for the Bolts as well. That shot deflected wide. So Tampa down early. Hedman again fires and scores! Victor Hedman with his 8th of the year. And the Lightning tie it up here in Tampa. First the bench for Hedman and his 8th goal.
There's a little miscue, and you can see you got Bogosian out here, and then he runs into a wall. He's trying to come up there, and he is not able to.
Knocked down from behind. Stamkos, no penalty. Here's Hedman. He loses it. And here comes a breakaway for Dewar. Dewar in alone, short-handed. Saved by Vasilevsky, who hangs on.
Last game, Eriksson Ek had a short-handed goal for Minnesota. It's just a miscue right there. It's a misfire. You can see Victor Hedman, 6'6". All of his body is going one way, and he misses the puck, so he's unable to get right there. Just I can see his train had left the station at that point. Tough to turn directions, but Vasilevsky had him the whole way.
So 16-second power play, and then Maroon will step out of the box for the Wild. Ripped down by Bogosian. There's Victor Hedman. 10 seconds left. We'll try to get a quick zone entry and maybe have a little bit of an odd man situation as Maroon makes his way back. Here's Cirelli. Here's their chance. Cirelli scores! Buzzer. Anthony Cirelli scores for the Lightning, his 9th of the year, to make it 2-1 Tampa Bay.
Beautifully placed shot, and we've talked a lot about Cirelli's what he's able to bring to the team on the power play. He retrieves pucks, gets in that dirty area in front of the net, but here he is with a clean goal score.
Aggressive push-off to get square and deny Stamkos a goal.
You can see already.
Kucherov, saved by Gustafsson.
You look at somebody like Kucherov, and how does he get that open? If you're defending this team, how do you not know where 86 is at all times? At all that time, what a confidence builder there by Gustafsson, too, to stand tall. Whether he knows it's him right there, you can see. Look at Gustafsson about to poke.
Asamon back to Lilleberg, doesn't quite get to him, and Gaudreau is able to chip it out.
I don't think Cherry's telling Kucherov to get off the ice.
No. Turnover. Sherry now. Here he is, fresh. The cross. What a pass! What a goal! First NHL goal. Waltteri Merila. 15th NHL game. First point and first goal.
Big smiles for that kid. Tough turnover here by Dakota Mermis. He's trying to get the puck that's ringing around the wall. And then when it loses it, he's not able to track it down. He backs off. What happens with a defenseman there, you're stuck in no man's land. You're sort of stuck on your skates. Watch him right here. Misses it. He's out of position. He's outside the dots. He tries to get himself back in position. And what a beautiful...
So John Hynes calls timeout. Let's see how his team responds. Here come the Bolts again. Threatening Hagel. Oh, another great save.
You got to have your head on a swivel. You got to know where they're coming from. But when that player goes and changes, it's when do you call it? You know, when you challenge, you're going to lose your timeout. So there's a whole strategy side of it. I like the one.
Here comes Kaprizov. Now a chance for the Wild. Shot in front. Rossi scores. Marco Rossi took the pass from Jake Middleton off his skate blade to his tape.
What was I just saying? They weren't scoring off the rush. Well, look at this. Right through the neutral zone. Great transition. Not exactly a transition team, but what they do really well is they use that whole width there. They go east to west. They come through, Kaprizov over, and then...
The Wild now out shooting Tampa Bay 20-17. Here's Kucherov again. He's skating well tonight. Plenty of rest for these Tampa Bay Lightning players. Shot! Oh, what a save! What a goal! Another A+ save by Gustafsson with Braden Point right in his grill, but Point is able to get the rebound. It's his 3rd point of the night and his 21st goal of the year.
You know, this starts with Victor Hedman back in the neutral zone, and then they go to work. Kucherov gets another assist.
Yeah.
Try to get that. He's got a 2-goal cushion right now for that Art Ross, and what a save. And they're trying to get it back here, and they know what they can do. They don't have the depth of the teams that when they have those championship caliber teams, but they certainly have what it takes to get back to the playoffs.
Alone in front, score! Jake Middleton. What's he doing on top of the blue paint? The defenseman, a career-high 5 goals coming in. That's his 6th as he extends his career high in goals for a regular season goal game.
14.7 seconds left here in this second period. The timeliness of this goal is huge to get them back within 1. Great passing, and you're absolutely right.
Yeah, he's another guy who has seen plenty of power play time this year. He has 6 power play goals, Nick Paul. That's a career high already for him this year. And so the Lightning will try to get that 2-goal lead back for number 77. Braden Point, zone entry machine. As we talked about, he comes in. Oh, he had Kucherov, but he made the drop pass first. And now Kucherov ends up with it. Down low, Paul. Point in the bumper. Kucherov, Hedman. Kucherov fakes. Stamkos, score! I think it went off the stick of Brock Faber. It was either him or Paul, but I think it's going to be Steven Stamkos' goal. That's his 534th. That breaks a tie with Frank Mahovlich on the all-time goal-scoring list. It's his 19th of the year for Stamkos.
I think some of the smiles that he didn't get all of it. He sort of whiffed on it. It's great passing. Talked a lot about how Kucherov determines it. Yeah, that puck is going well wide. Watch a great pass across the seam. That puck's going well wide. Goes off of Faber's arm, his right arm there as he's trying to cover Nick Paul. And you feel for the defenders even, but he sort of flubs it.
It would have been 15 feet wide.
Yeah.
Then it's a goal. Mott and alone. Saved by Gustafsson. Rebound. Oh, it goes wide off the post. He's an elite guy from that spot. Ovechkin, Pasternak, Zibanejad, and now Stammer with the puck. What a lethal electric power play right now. Kucherov to Point. What a save by Gustafsson with 1:03 left in the power play. We know Radis can shoot it. 102 miles an hour already tonight. Cirelli down low to Asamont. Cirelli, wrist shot, nice. Shoulder save, it's loose. Score! It doesn't matter who's out there on the power play. Mikey Asamont. 6 straight power play goals, 6 for 6, going back to the weekend against Anaheim.
Right there when he had the puck and he was bouncing, I actually thought he could walk out. He had so much room. Look at him right here. He's on his forehand. He could walk out and draw somebody to him and try to create something there. Instead, he goes out high, and poor Gustafsson makes a great save, but has no idea to get his 500th assist. And he had some chances, though, early on the game, the breakaway. He's had a couple really good looks and stoned by Gustafsson, so it's maybe some frustration for him.
Score! Anthony Cirelli, his 2nd of the night, the 10th goal of the game, the 7th for the Lightning.
Maybe that's because it's 7-3, but he does the flyby, and beautiful play, good chip off the boards, great zone entry, and this is pretty typical Lightning hockey. Just quick, off the rush, opportunistic, and can see it's a great chip by Cirelli, and then he takes advantage of a tough bounce right here.
That's a guy, you know, he needs to score. He's making 6.25 now for the next 8 years. Yes, he's a defensive player. Kaprizov! Oh, nice save by Vasilevsky. He spun around as the puck was rolling down his back. With their 4th win in a row, longest win streak of the year. Fans are loving it. They'll now hit the road. Very Much so.